Okay guys, so NAORIS Protocol actually raised about $11.5 million from top investors like Draper Associates and the both exchanges, to mention but just a few. So right guys, on this video I'm going to be talking about the part of this project that actually concerns us the most, which is the airdrop. So right guys, what is NAORIS Protocol all about? So NAORIS Protocol is just like a cybersecurity layer on Web 2 and Web 3. To make it very simple for everyone to understand, they are just like a project that is actually trying to provide a security, a kind of protection for to users who are trying to interact on Web 2 and also on Web 3. So right guys, taking you to their Twitter account, you can see that this airdrop is very new, and over here guys, the tweet that they actually made 8 hours ago actually says that NAORIS Protocol post quantum deepin testnet is now live. So we are going to be learning how we can be able to participate on the testnet and be able to be among the early testers so that we can actually earn the best out of this project. Okay, so before we go fully into the video, please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also make sure to turn the bell icon on so that whenever we post any new video, you'll be notified immediately. Also, we do give out tone to our community viewers, so if you're watching the video right now from any part of the world, you actually stand a chance of getting free tone from us. Simply make sure that you have subscribed, like, and also share this video, and make sure you drop your comments on the comment section, because on the comment section is where we actually pick our winner. So with that being said, let's now go straight back into the business of the day, which is how we can be able to participate on NAORIS Protocol airdrop. So the first thing that you actually need before you can be able to participate on this airdrop is you actually need a Mrs. browser. So you can actually go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download Mrs. browser, and once you have downloaded Mrs. browser, then you take the first step that I'm going to be taking right now. So if you do not know how to actually add up wallets to your extension, or if you do not know how to add extensions to your browser, I have already made a detailed video about it. Check it on the video description. You are going to be seeing the link to the video on the video description box. So right now guys, let's get started with the video. So a link to this airdrop is also going to be dropped on the video description. Check out the video description to get all the links that you are going to be needing for this NAORIS Protocol airdrop. So what we need to do right now is to simply go ahead and of course paste the first link over here on this search bar. You go ahead and of course paste the link, then you go ahead and search for it. So this is going to be taking you to where you're going to be downloading an extension, which is the NAORIS Protocol wallet. So right now what you need to do is very simple. Simply add the NAORIS Protocol wallet extension to your browser by clicking over here after the page is fully loaded. And right now guys, I will go ahead and click on add to Chrome. So right now it has been added, so we go ahead and of course click over here to access it. Okay, so you go ahead and click on it, then you scroll down until you can see NAORIS Protocol wallet. You click on it. So the first thing is for you to actually set up your wallet. We are creating a new wallet, so we click on create a new wallet, and over here you need to accept the privacy and of course terms of service. You click on submit. So right now guys, they are going to be giving you your seed phrase, so you go ahead and of course make sure you write down your seed phrase completely, because if you lose access to your seed phrase, you have automatically lose access to your wallet. So right now you go ahead and of course write it down, then you click on I wrote it down on paper. Okay, after that guys, they are going to be asking you to actually verify your wallet right now. So you check out the number 9th number, you put it right here. You check out the second word on the line, you put it right here. You check out the 7th word on the line, you put it right here, and you check out the fourth word on the line, you put it right here. After that, you go ahead and of course confirm. This process is actually to make sure that you actually wrote it down, because if you didn't write it down, you are actually risking your wallet, because anything that happens, you are automatically going to lose your wallet as well. Okay, and over here right now, the next thing is for you to actually set up your password. You confirm your password, and you of course put this referral code right here. So this referral code is very important because it's actually going to be giving you some bonuses when you create your wallet. So right now I'm going to be going ahead to filling it up right now, and after that I'm going to be clicking on create the wallet. And right now guys, you can see that our wallet has been set up, and right now guys, we are now done with the first step. So the second step right now is actually for us to actually go back to the home page right now. A link is also going to be on the video description. Remember, even the invite code or the referral code is going to be on the video description as well. So you go ahead and of course paste the second link right here. Once you just paste it, you go ahead and of course search for it. Okay, so this is actually going to be taking you to the website of NAORIS So what you need to do from here is very simple. You can go ahead and of course read up all these things to actually understand the backers and understand the projects very well. So but what I need you to do right now for us to proceed with the airdrop that we are hunting for is to simply go ahead and of course click on start testnet. And once you click on start testnet, they are going to be asking you to install the wallet. We have already installed the wallet. So what we need to do right now is to simply go ahead and click on start testnet again. So they are actually going to be asking you to connect your wallet. So right now you are going to be connecting the wallet that you just created, which is the NAORIS protocol wallet. You click on connect wallet right now, and of course you need to actually choose this one, NAORIS Chrome extension. You click on it, and right now guys, it's going to be popping up from that extension that you have already added. So you go ahead and click on connect. So right now your wallet is going to be connected right now, and you can see it has been connected. So what we need to do right now is to simply click on install NAORIS protocol browser security node. So what you need to do from here is simply click on install. So this is going to be asking you to actually add another extension. So right now we are going to be adding the NAORIS protocol browser security node. So right now you scroll to this side, then you go ahead and of course click on add to Chrome again. So right now you go ahead and of course click on it as usual. You click on it like this, then it's going to be asking you to confirm this. You click on OK. So right now guys, it is going to be added to your extension right now. Right now you can see it has been added. So right now when I click over here guys on this my extension button, you can see we have NAORIS protocol browser. So what you need to do is simply go back to the previous website, which is the website that we are already on. So what we need to do right now is to simply go back to the website like this, my bad. Okay, so over here to the NAORIS testnet. So what we need to do right now is to simply go ahead and of course connect your Twitter account. So it is very simple guys. So what you need to do is simply click on login with X. So this is going to be asking you to actually connect your Twitter account. You need to actually authorize the app right now, like how it is very easy, like as I'm going to be doing it right now. So it is very important that you watch this video to the end so that you understand it, because this is actually a complicated one. Okay, so right now you go ahead and of course click on authorize app like this. So this is going to be connecting to your Twitter account or X account, whichever one that you want to call it. So right now guys, it has been connected and we are going to be redirected back to where we were earlier. So right now guys, we have been doing all this right now, and we can see we have connected our Twitter accounts, and what I need to do from here is to simply go ahead and of course follow them on Twitter. So when I click on follow right now, I'm going to be taken to my Twitter where I need to follow NAORIS protocol. Okay, I will click on proceed. So this is going to be taking me to my X account where I need to give them a follow, then return to where we were earlier and proceed with the next step. Okay, so right now you can see it is loading up right now, and I need to click on follow NAORIS protocol. I will click on it like this to actually give them a follow. Right now that we are done, I need to go back right now to where to this website right now. So you can see over here guys, claim point. Okay, so what I need to do right now is finally for me to claim the point, because I'm almost done with the whole step. So I will click on claim points right now, and this is how it is going to be added to my dashboard. So right now guys, I have claimed my points, and over here you can see this is where you are going to be brought to. So from here you need to click on point will be added to dashboard. So you click on it, point will be added to dashboard, and you can see it is processing right now, and we need to actually sign this message using the NAORIS protocol wallet that we added in the first place. So you need to input your password first. You go ahead and of course input your password real quick, then you click on sign in. Hey guys, this is the next page that you are going to be brought to after you click on point will be added to dashboard. So over here guys, you can see we have social media quest. Okay, so over here guys, what you need to do is simply click over here right now to actually complete some quest and of course earn a lot of points, which is going to be added to your dashboard. Okay, so but the last thing that you actually need to do right now to make sure that you complete the NAORIS protocol mandatory task properly is to simply do what I'm going to be showing you right now. Remember, what you need to do from here is simply come over here and complete these quests that are going to be made available right here. So but for us to continue with the video, you click over here guys on this extension button. You click on it, then you have to click on this on the second extension that you added actually. So this is it, NAORIS protocol browser. You click on it, and once you click on it, this is where you are going to be bring into, and over here guys you can see this is your wallet address right here, and of course you need to look over here. You can see turn on protection. So for you to earn, you need to click on turn on protection like this. So you can see protection is now on. Once you are on this spot, then you have now completed all the mandatory tasks for you to actually qualify and be eligible to receive the NAORIS protocol airdrop. So coming at this end right now, what you need to do is simply go back to the testnet. This is this browser. You click on learn more like this, and you are going to be taken to the section where you actually need to complete some certain tax right here on GAGs in order for you to qualify properly to receive the NAORIS protocol airdrop. All right, so this is very simple, and this is how you actually perform the NAORIS protocol airdrop. If you need any help, let me know on the comment section, and also do well to like and subscribe to our channel to be updated on all the latest thing happening on the crypto space as far as crypto airdrop is concerned. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video that is going to be dropped very soon. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.